Hi everyone, it's Dragana from Saacibo. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad I completed this journal while it's still winter, because I know that soon the days start to become longer and warmer, I would probably lose the interest to work in it. We've done this 3-hole pamphlet stitch with a twist the other day, and then I've added this satin ribbon on top. I hope you can see. And there's the little dangle I've created in one of the other videos, especially for this journal. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I've got the bookmark here as well. Remember this? We've done that last year, so that was the bookmark for this journal. Love the decorations, love the crackle effect here. And it's a chunky monkey. A lot going on inside. Anyway, let's take a look at the pages. Here's the certificate of authenticity. And remember that when we made these little pouches with recycled cellophane and leaves, here's one eco print with the Sizzix. Surprisingly, it's still blue. Love it. Should make more of them this spring as soon as these pop out. Okay, so we have a pocket in here. I really like the papers in this journal. I've used several of my digital kits. I will link them down below. I love this music notes printed on vellum. Love how that looks. So I turned it into a pocket. There's also lots of sewing here. Okay, that's a dyed paper. That's a printable of my jelly print. Love the colors there. More of the leaf dye papers. I've done a video on these 6x6 or 8x8 papers and folding technique, and normally I would have this pocket down, but with this one I decided to turn it this way. Love how it turned out. So it's like a tuck spot in here, and that's one of those papers we've done recently with napkins and varnish and stamped masterboards. I think that's from the Secret Forest, that's from the Autumn Leaves, that's from the Singing Trees. It's just a bit of stamping on this blueberry paper, and there's blueberries here. So it's kind of predominantly bluish, grayish, purplish colors. And obviously the theme is the snowy owl. And I really love owls. That's a really nice one. Had to put one of these. This was a napkin that I laminated and then cut into a circle, the little squirrel. And that tag here is turned into a pocket. This is Walk Your Path. Okay, we've done these pocket pages together. I've added a bit of sewing since then. So I like how they turned out. There's a little specimen with my drawing of a snowflake. This is Snowflake Kisses. I turned that label into a pocket, and decided to include this little tag here. Hang on, it says love with all your heart. And we have a little bear here. A hug is always the right size. Yes. Oh, here we have original jelly print. I've signed it. It's with bronze paint and a dark brown. And a little tuck spot in here. Embrace the magic of life. I love that. It's from a scrapbooking kit that I bought. Perfect fit. Some book pages in here. Here we have a belly band. It's a collage turned into a belly band. Love the sound of that paper. I'm going to do a no talking version of this flip through again. It's a bit of stamping there. Love the effect of when you dye papers and you put some fabrics on top, you get this grungy look. I love that. Should make more of them. It's a bit of stamping here as well. And I will release both versions of the flip through with commentary and no talking at the same time, and it's up to you. You choose whichever one you prefer to watch. It's a nice green color vellum paper and one of those specimens we've done last year. Stencil work. Pocket on this side. This one was dyed with grapes. I think this is from that Artsy Nature collection. Love this pocket here. I've included this card and I love the lace. And that's the end of the first signature. And here we have a belly band and another one. And the poem. It's from the Singing Trees collection. I love these. So cute. Remember the plaid papers we've done last autumn? Those colors look so nice together, I think. That's a cool looking paper. More of my Digstars jelly prints. And here we have a paper that I've embossed with the help of my stencils. Love that technique. Let me know if you'd like me to do a tutorial on that. I love this tape with these sparkly bits. You know, for a winter journal, you've got to have some sparkle. Okay, and that's from the Winter Wonderland kit. Love this here, this mushrooms, and that's what we've done together in a video where we used our echo prints and turned that leaf print into basically a tree. I love that effect. It's really nice. Okay, here we have one of those big pocket pages. Look how big it is, and I've included some of my dyed papers in here. It's a nice one with coffee and rust. That one is with grapes. There's a little specimen of the hibiscus tree leaf. That's one of the marble papers. Okay, this is a handmade paper with bits of flowers and leaves. I think I should make more of the handmade papers. I'm almost run out. That's an eco print, no cooking method, that I embossed. Really like that. And over here we have more dyed watercolor paper. I think that was with avocado and something else. This is faux botanical paper with a napkin and another avocado dyed paper. And here we also have another one of those belly bands, double belly bands with a poem. Love that. Okay, I really like this page. It's a ruffle made with this sheer lace. I've added this, and That's a watercolor drawing I've done a while ago with natural dyes, and then I've added line work. I've added 2 of these charms, specimen charms, a tiny one and this one. We've done that in a video together as well. That's the last piece of an old ruffle I've done a while ago. I just had this little piece. I had a lot more patience to do these things before than I do now. I mean, these were all hand sewn. I would have just used the hot glue now if I was to do it again. Paper there, here, and I really like how this turned out. That's from a scrapbooking kit, and I had this lace and attached it here, and I love how it really holds its shape, doesn't it? And here we have a little, like a booklet thing, and I've cut a snowflake with my scissors, and I used that to create like a tuck spot. Those 2 birds are so cute, and that's from my kit, so it can go like that, but it is like a paper clip at the same time. It works like that. Love the snowflake stamps here. Another page with a poem. Love that. That's a mandala. That was my design. When I printed, I ran out of black ink, so it printed white, and it just worked out so well, because now it's like as if I've drawn this with a white pen instead of a black one. Okay, I love that paper from the Artsy Nature collection. And here we have one of those napkin papers that were done with starch and scissors. Another vellum pocket. I think that image is a freebie on my website. And I used the CD case here. I've dyed it a while ago. I didn't decorate it or anything. Just placed this inside, and I'll show you these. These are from Eco Prints leaves, and I cut them out and inked around, and they can be used throughout the journal to decorate. I just really like them like this. It's a little collage. Love how this paper turned out. It has all these spots. I think the tray that I used was a bit rusty. It turned out really well. Another one of the marble papers in blue. It's herbal cards. Love this page with these pockets. This is from the Majestic Animals kit, and that's one of the stickers that I laminated. Sticker of snowflake from 2 years ago, I think. And over here, oh, I remember that when we painted the packaging, created ephemera from recycled packaging. And that's from a silicone stamp packaging as well, added there. Little tuck spot, a sleepy baby fox. Okay, I like that. Another herbal card. Here we have, this is from a magazine, I think. There's a recipe here, but this is the reason I kept it. I think this is somewhere in Croatia. Looks really nice. And this is a piece of paper that I had. I just folded it like a paper clip, just with an eyelet here. There's no paper clip here, it's just the paper and an eyelet. These are some of the cutouts from that scrapbooking kit I had. Put them in that little pocket. And it just goes over the page like that. But I won't close it yet because over here I've included one of the paper bags that I've dyed. And here we have printed tissue paper and a napkin of boy and a girl feeding the birds. So cute. So this serves both as a closure for this envelope, but also as a tuck spot. Can go either way. And this is a paper that I've done with leftover pieces of flowers and leaves after I filmed that no cooking eco dyeing process. Only added a little bit of napkins. I'm going to do that this year to show you. So cool. It's a great collage paper. Love how that pocket turned out. You're stronger than you think. That's from the latest kit. Some purple tissue paper. Love that. And I had to use this lovely lace from Linda. Thank you so much, Linda. I love it. And look at that. It's so cute. That owl. So cute. I had to put it there. An owl knitting a sock. Cute. Love that little image of a house. And it's these things are all from that scrapbooking kit I bought when I was on my holiday this summer. Really love it. And that's a faux specimen, faux leaf. It's actually a printed version of a leaf. It's not a real leaf. It's from that kit. But it looks so real. Okay. It's a nice effect. Oh, look at that vellum paper. Great collage paper, I think. And this is like a tuck spot. Okay, used a leftover piece of the fabric that was used on the cover. And here we have another little collage. This one was done on handmade paper, I think. Or is it a napkin paper? Embrace the magic of life. A tag. Added these here. That's something I've done like, I don't know, 4 years ago. Before I started my channel. I've been collecting these semicircular pieces of cardboard from packaging, and then I would glue the fabric over and make a little collage. And this one was just perfect for this journal. So we are all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed my Snowy Owl journal. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.